Open your mic, Ayas. I cannot hear you. Ayas, I cannot hear you. Open your mic.
I found a mirror.
Okay, Ayas, can you talk about your mask? Okay, what is like that? What is your design? Tell me, what is your design? Is it an animal or what? Okay, can you show it to me? Yes, can you show it to me once more? Your mask? Can you show it to me once more?
I see a mirror.
Yeah, I can see Amir as well. Okay, thank you, Ayas. Okay, what can you say about your mask, Shamsa? Alright, tell me something about your mask. Why did you choose a cat? Why did you choose a cat? Okay, because you love cat. Alright, thank you, Shamsa. Your mask? That is an owl. Alright, can you tell me why did you choose an owl? Okay, because you love owl. Alright, thank you, Shamsa. Hessa, I should say. Nathan, open your mic, Nathan, and tell something about your mask. And I can see you have chosen a fox.
I love my fox mask.
Okay. Because?
Love my fox mask.
Alright, why did you choose a fox mask?
Because of fox, I love it.
Because you love a fox? What a fox has? Why did you like it? What is the characteristic of fox that makes you love it?
I don't even like anything.
Mm? Because a fox is courageous, right? It's brave. Right, Nathan? Do you agree? Alright. So you are a brave and courageous fox, Nathan. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, can you show me your mask? Alright. Talk about it, your mask, Saud.
Okay. This one mask. This one robot mask.
You have chosen a robot. Wow. Why did you choose a robot, Saud? Because you like a robot. Very nice, Saud. I love it. Thank you for that. Can you make a sound like a robot? Alright, thank you, Saud. Naya, can you explain about your mask? What design is that?
I make a mask, faces mask, and his color rainbow.
Okay. Can you describe more about it? Again, Naya? What did you make, Naya? Oh, you like a princess. Like you are like a princess. Alright, I like it. It's very colorful. Okay? Thank you, Naya. It's very creative.